everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is for all the egg lovers. We're going to make this special Andhra style spicy garlic egg fry, which is literally Kodi Guddu Vellulli Karam. It's a nice spicy dish and it's best enjoyed with some nice steamed rice. So let's get started and check it out. Here are the ingredients needed for this recipe. First, let's prepare the garlic masala. To the mixer jar, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds, a small piece of cinnamon, 3 cloves, half teaspoon of peppercorns and grind it to a nice coarse powder. Next, add 5 garlic cloves, a small piece of tamarind, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and grind them to a nice powder. Once done, transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. To a white kadai, add 4 tablespoons of oil and once it is hot, add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 red chilies cut and roast them. Once the mustard seed starts spluttering, add 2 onions finely chopped and saute. Now add 2 green chilies slit, a few fresh curry leaves, a pinch of turmeric powder and a little salt and mix everything together. Crack open and gently drop 6 eggs to the onion mixture. To not mix the eggs, close the kadai with the lid and let the eggs cook for about 5 minutes on medium-low flame. After 5 minutes, open the pan. The eggs should have been cooked on one side now. Using the spatula, cut the eggs into large pieces and flip them to the other side. Once it's fully cooked, cut the eggs into smaller pieces and mix gently. Push the egg pieces to the side of the kadai, creating a space in the center. Add 2 teaspoons of oil to the center, then add the ground masala and roast the masala until the raw smell goes. Mix the roasted masala with the egg pieces, ensuring the masala coats the eggs evenly. So be careful not to break the egg pieces too much. Large chunks taste better in this dish. Adjust the salt and the spice levels as needed. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves and give it all a nice final mix. Look how beautifully it's cooked. Transfer the garlic egg fry to the serving bowl. This dish pairs beautifully with some nice hot steaming rice. You can enjoy it with some rasam or sambar. It's a really simple and flavorful dish, perfect for anyone who loves eggs and bold spicy flavors. I'll give you a couple of links to the other egg recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. This dish is for all the spice lovers and I can't wait to try it. Kodi Guddu Vellulli Karam is ready. I'm going to enjoy this with some nice steamed rice. I'm pretty hungry also, so fantastic. I can't just stop eating. It's so good. The flavors are just spot on. The nice, it's got a nice spice to it with a nice garlic flavor. Since I've added a little bit of tamarind, the flavors are balanced perfectly. Wow, I'm going to enjoy this, really enjoy this. I love eggs, so this is one of the best dishes, I would say. This is a quick and easy egg fry with great flavors. So next time you want to try something with eggs, this is the recipe to go to. Do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.